Have you ever wished learning was easier? Today, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that can actually make you smarter in less time with less effort. Perplexity is like a search engine that understands your brain. Instead of scrolling through 10 websites, you ask one question, and it gives you the clean answer with sources. Want to learn economics? Ask, "Explain supply and demand like I'm 10." 5 seconds later, you have the full explanation. It's perfect for research, homework, summaries, and deep learning. Gamma creates presentations by itself. You write one sentence, it builds slides, structure, text, and visuals. Example, make a presentation about the solar system. Done. This is genius for students, teachers, and anyone who hates PowerPoint.
Tome is an AI storyteller. It turns ideas into visual stories. You can use it for projects, reports, portfolios, even pitches. The best part? It feels like design plus writing plus research all combined.
Notion AI is your second brain. It helps you organize everything you learn, notes, tasks, articles, ideas, in one place. Ask it, summarize this text into bullet points. Done. The more you use it, the smarter you stay, because everything you learn is saved.
This feature is underrated. ChatGPT can remember things about you, your style, your goals, your projects, and use that to give personalized answers. Say, "I'm learning Python." Remember that. Next time you ask a coding question, it helps based on your progress, not a generic answer. It's like having a personal tutor inside your laptop. These tools can seriously upgrade your learning and productivity. If you want more simple AI tricks like this, subscribe. I'll show you how to use AI to learn anything faster.